Hello everyone. Welcome to ECED 2063, Curriculum in Early Childhood. I'm Misty Flowers and I will be your instructor for the next several weeks. I would like to briefly review the candidate guide with you. If you qualify for and desire accommodations due to a disability, you want to pay close attention to this section on page 2. Because it is your responsibility to make sure that those accommodations are there for you and that I am aware of them. This course is an introductory study of curriculum development and instructional design with a focus on recent developments in the education of the young child related to motivation, social interaction, and active engagement in learning. Special emphasis is given to selecting curriculum based on theory and research, the writing of behavioral objectives, and the development of appropriate instructional activities, including technology. Our instructional objectives listed here are aligned with the Department of Education's conceptual framework of compassion, competence, and commitment. The table below demonstrates that course objectives are aligned also with Ohio Standards for Teachers, as well as MVNU diversity proficiencies and expected candidate dispositions as informed by INTASC standards. I'm not going to read these to you. You are capable of doing that yourselves. I do ask that once you have read through this candidate guide, if you could just shoot me an email telling me that you have read and understand the course syllabus, that would be great. These are the learning objectives that we will emphasize and you will be able to do at the end of each week. Our course format. Since we are online, our lectures will often be in PowerPoint format or video format. You are expected to carefully read each PowerPoint slide and instructions before viewing assignments. Our textbook, which is Developmentally Appropriate Practice in Early Childhood Programs, is an excellent resource for your professional shelf. Your Moodle forums, where you are discussing and responding to each other. Each week you are expected to complete all of the activities. And I know that many of you like to work ahead, as I do, but please be sure, in order to be counted present for a week, you have to submit one substantial assignment, whether it be a forum or an assignment. You need to make one submission each week to be counted present. Course policies, late work. There is a 10% deduction per day. No late work is accepted after the last night of class unless an incomplete has been requested and approved prior to the last night of class. Here is your evaluation grading scale, our textbook, and you will also be expected to locate other written resources. Here's the bibliography for our course. And we have assignments at a glance. So please be sure that you have these final pages at your fingertips so that you know what assignments are due each week. Week 1, homework assignment 1-1 is to review the syllabus, the weekly assignments, the weekly PowerPoints, and grading rubrics, as well as resources that are found on Moodle. Homework 1-2, Post your story on the Get Acquainted forum on Moodle. Homework 1-3. You will need to read about the historical figures and key events of early childhood education and complete the table, ECE History Table, all of which are located in the support folder for week 1. Homework 1-4. Read about the state standards in your licensure area and upload your response paper to Moodle. Homework 1-5, there is none. That should have been deleted and was not. My apologies. But as you can see, homework for each week is laid out very clearly for you. Week 5, you are to complete an infant plan assignment and post it on chalk and wire. There is also a grading rubric posted on Moodle for this assignment. When you submit to chalk and wire, please be sure that your reflection is there and your infant plan assignment. Recently, we had some difficulty with assignments being submitted, so please double check and make sure that the reflection form and the assignment is also on chalk and wire. Okay, now I want to go into Moodle and look at our course. I frequently post things in instructors' announcements, so please make sure that you check that as I check Ask the Instructor in case there are questions from you. Here's our syllabus. If you have any prayer requests, please put them on here. We will all be praying. And announcements, click there. Here are some resources. And there are quite a few under here, under student resources. If you have APA questions, all you need to do is go to the box, and right here are the style guidelines that will open up for you. How to submit to chalk and wire through Moodle. Okay, so let's look at week 1. Instructor video is posted, so please view it. Here we have the discussion forum rubric. Please read over this for your online discussion assignments. Your initial post should be written in a scholarly voice, adhering to APA guidelines, and should be between 250 and 500 words. Your response to your classmates is less formal. It should be 150 to 250 in length. Where appropriate, make sure that you address their feelings and perceptions. Asking reflective questions to your peers is a great way to get that conversation going and to deepen our learning. So if you are asking questions, which I hope you are, please be sure that you are answering your peers' questions also. And make sure that you submit by the due date and time. Reading response rubric. Maybe. Again, please read over this because I know that you all want to receive the maximum points possible. So please make sure you are checking off all the little bullets. First homework assignment for week 1 is to review the syllabus, weekly assignments, the weekly PowerPoint, grading rubrics, and resources. Homework 1-2, as I've already said, is get acquainted. This is due by Monday, which is the first day of our class. The ECE history table is due Wednesday. And the standards paper for your licensure area is due on Saturday. And here are those support documents that I mentioned earlier. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to email me. We can set up, a video chat or a phone call, but I don't know if you have questions unless you email me. I want you all to do well in this course, so please don't hesitate. If you're not understanding something or if you're questioning something, please let me know. As we go on through the course, everything is laid out for you each week. Again, week 5, here is that submission, that infant plan that has to go on chalk and wire, as well as Moodle. So I'm very excited about this class and learning with you. Some of you, your name is very familiar. So I think we've had a class before. So as I said, I'm looking forward to this time together, and I hope you are also. Thank you.